So the client of this C6 Corvette, he's a real pain in the ass. That's me, I'm the client. This is my car. And Lithium, they reached out and said, hey, Bubba Ray, we know you know a thing or two about a thing or two. Would you like to try our products on the client's car? I said, heck no, I'm gonna try it on my car, Jack. So I'm told that HyperCleanse has no solvents at all, but despite that, it is insanely effective. It was originally developed to be a leather cleaner, but it's kind of like PBR. It goes with everything and can go on everything. But unlike PBR, it can take out almost any stain you can think of without leaving a residue on the surface. Giveaway time. It's easy. Comment below why the C6 Corvette is the greatest car of all time, and the best response is going to get those lithium trim cubes free. To see if you won, you should really take that subscribe button to Pound Town. If you use the discount code BubbaRay15, you're going to get 15% off of every order that you continue to apply it to. This means that you're not going to need to ask your wife's boyfriend for a loan just so you can detail your car. Can HyperCleanse clean the entire interior beautifully? Heck, you might as well ask, can Honey Boo Boo's mama eat 5 gallons of chili fries in less than 5 minutes? The answer is yes, to both. This stuff is dadgum amazing. One thing I truly love about Lithium is this: they never look at the cost of an ingredient and say, nah, we can save some money by swapping in something else. The focus is on the quality ingredients to get the job done right. It is essential that when you are making the surfaces of your vehicle healthy, they're not shiny and slippery like your ex's mama, but instead natural and new. Side note, this stuff smells so amazing that I'm gonna try and ask my wife if she can switch her perfume to this. After detailing the car, I simply did not want to get out. Rehab has shea butter, vitamin E, and purified coconut oil, just to name a few of the ingredients. Big thank you to my buddy Wayne Harmon for allowing me to use this song. Painless Wayne is also the owner of Painless Wayne's Tattoo and Painless Wayne's Guitars in Las Vegas, Nevada. What happens in Vegas should definitely get tattooed and immortalized on your skin by Wayne. The link to that shop is down in the description. So you seen me massaging in that conditioner by hand. It's like pleasuring a woman. You want to be delicate and gentle, but you want to be vigorous too. It's worthwhile. Detailing and washing your car should be fun and enjoyable. And if it isn't, then you need to go rob your kitty's piggy banks. That way you can pay a professional detailer like myself to go through and make it miraculous.